What's up guys? Welcome back to your second JavaScript tutorial, and in this tutorial I want to tell you about something called comments. A comment is basically a line of text or a line of code that your browser ignores. A comment is basically just like a sticky note or a reminder telling you to do something, like maybe edit a line of code or add something else to your web page. It's going to be a line that your browser just ignores. So in order to add a comment in JavaScript, you need to press // and then type your comment. Now, whenever you run your web page, you see that nothing happens because your browser knows to ignore it as it was just a comment. It pretends like it isn't even there. Now, if you want to leave a comment that's more than a line, that means you need more than a single line comment, and you need something called a multi-line comment. So in order to leave a multi-line comment, write /* and after this write your comment. Then in order to end it, press */ and it's ended. You can have as many lines as you want. So that's the difference between writing a comment on a single line and writing one over multiple lines, or you can say a double line. It just depends on how longer your comment is. That's all I want to show you guys. Once again, remember that in order to leave a comment, you need either two // for a single line comment or /* then */ if you want to leave a comment over multiple lines. In the next tutorial, I will tell you the most important concept behind computer programming, and that is called variables. It's definitely going to help you understand JavaScript. So thank you guys for watching this one, and I will see you in the next video.